Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Mika. So today we're going to finish off the Christmas decorating in the dining room and the kitchen, and we're going to get right into it. It'll be all decorating in this video so we can make it short, sweet, and to the point.
As you hand me the door, we got by falling just like these snowflakes tumbling down round and around.
Quick tip, you can always add a ribbon to your decorative items. It always makes it look more festive, and you'll see that I add ribbon throughout just to keep it consistent and, again, festive.
Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard, but I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that comes in the shape of a heart. And now I'm falling just like these snowflakes tumbling down round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. And if I were to make a wish upon a star, would it be too much to ask? I'll place forever in your arms, and for this moment to last, because I'm falling just like these snowflakes tumbling.
While I'm about to put these wreaths on the cabinets, I wanted to quickly introduce myself. My name is Mika. I'm a wife and mother. I do all things home, so cleaning, decorating, organizing, that is my thing. So if that is something that you love, I would love if you stop what you're doing, hit the subscribe button and bell notifications so you don't miss out on my upcoming content. Make sure you guys like the video if you do. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. We just hit a milestone. I reached 3,000 subscribers last week, and I am so thankful and could not have done it without you.
Yes, it's true. I'm falling for you.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the
So this is the area that I haven't showed you guys, but y'all know if you've been with me, initially I wanted to do a bar cart and some shelves, but I ended up going with a bar cabinet and a mirror just to give that entryway look since we don't have one. But I decorate over here and I think it turns out really cute.
making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this
Garland is another way to elevate your space, so I added it to my lights, using like ribbons or bows to add to like your art lights or different light fixtures that you have, or hanging like ornament wreaths from there. Different things like that definitely takes the space to another level, so try those things out in your house if you haven't already.
wanna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memory.
This is the first time I brought this tree out since we sold the house in Virginia. So I was super excited to add it to this dining room corner, and it turned out really, really cute. I wanted to make it very minimal. So I used this ball garland and these presents that I purchased from the after Christmas sale at Kirkland's last year. And it looked so pretty. And then I was like, wait, I don't have a tree topper, and I wasn't going out and buying one. I really wanted to go one, but I was just like, you know what, let me go downstairs. I grabbed some ribbon, I made a bow. You won't see that now, you'll see it towards the end of the video because it took me a while to figure out what I was going to put on here, but it turned out really cute.
I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV. We can do what we wanna do. Walk under the moonlight and kiss under the stars. It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way. This time I'm here to stay. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home, yeah. Yes, I'm coming home to you.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa.
Initially, I had some floral cedar stems in here, but they just weren't going with the vibe of all my other stems. So my brain was working, y'all. I was like, let me go outside and grab some branches off the tree. And that's exactly what I did. I feel like I need one more to make it fuller, but I still feel like they came out really well, especially since I did not want to spend any more money. And I really wanted to get this video up right away for you guys.
Gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all them bells. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Let me tell you about old Saint Nick and me.
I love these amber bottle dispensers, and it's so nice that they sent them with pre-made labels, so you can also use them for like soap and conditioner, but they just elevate any space. And I also got this decorative tray that I'm going to be putting my bottles in, and you'll see that in a couple seconds. They came from the Target dollar spot, and it was like $5, but it just brings the look together. I'm about to close out the video, guys. We're going to put the final touches on the decor, and stay to the end because you're going to be able to see all the end shots and how everything turned out. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new here and was feeling the vibe, don't forget to hit that bell notification and subscribe to my channel for more content. I would love to have you. Follow me on Instagram at @IAM_Mika Marie. I've been doing a lot of real content, so I would love to show you guys what I've been doing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Toodles.
White outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas